Hey guys, on behalf of me and every technician at any dealership or any independent shop or your own shop, this is to the customer. Clean your car out. It's disgusting when we got to crawl around in there and it's just cigarette butts and everything everywhere. Trash. It smells like vomit. It's gross. I just got done with a 2011 Ford Fusion passenger airbag that I told you guys about last week. So I'm going to play that video for you right now. Okay? Please clean your cars out. Remember when I told you guys I got to do an airbag on a 2011 Fusion, the passenger side? You guys already saw me do the driver. Well, I have that car this morning on a Monday, and I'm going to show it to you, okay? Alright, so the console's got to come out. All this got to come out. All that's got to come out. The whole dash has to come out. And look what I am dealing with here. It smells horrible in here. Door handle don't work. Windows being held up by a card. And just... So as I get this thing apart, I will show you guys. Okay? Inside the center console. It smells like barf in here. Alright. So I got everything. Nasty. Pulled out. This is behind the dash. And I'm going for, you see that connector? I'm pulling this whole thing out, but it's nasty back here. Not as bad behind the dash as I thought, but up underneath, man, that's disgusting.